In today's digital world, passwords alone are no longer enough. Businesses need stronger protection, faster authentication, and seamless user access. Introducing Krypton Secure MFA Token, a powerful biometric authentication solution designed for secure Windows login, application protection, and website access using fingerprint verification. Getting started is simple. Run the Krypton Secure MFA Token setup file as administrator. Click Continue to begin the installation process. Enter the user details including username, email address, mobile number, and select the appropriate user type. Accept the license agreement and click Continue. Krypton Secure MFA Token automatically detects your USB fingerprint device. Click on Check Device to verify the hardware connection. Once detected successfully, click Continue. Now install the biometric device driver with a single click. After successful installation, click Continue to proceed. Krypton Secure MFA Token has now been successfully installed. Click Open App to configure Windows sign-in options. Click on Windows Hello Fingerprint Setup. Select Get Started. Now simply swipe your finger on the fingerprint sensor to register your biometric identity. For additional security and recovery access, configure a secure PIN. This PIN can be used as an alternative to passwords. Krypton Secure MFA Token also enables biometric protection for applications and websites. In this demo, Notepad.exe has been added to the application authentication list, and ChatGPT.com and Facebook. Now, when the user launches Notepad Krypton Secure MFA Token requests fingerprint verification, simply swipe your finger to unlock the application quickly and securely. Access granted successfully. When accessing protected websites, Krypton Secure MFA Token adds an additional biometric security layer. Open the browser and visit chatgpt.com. Swipe your finger to authenticate securely. Website access granted instantly. Krypton Secure MFA Token delivers enterprise-grade biometric security with fast, passwordless authentication. Protect Windows login, applications, and websites with a single touch.